DSH 50 moisture analyzer. With a 50 gram capacity and 0.001 gram accuracy, it is designed for fast, reliable moisture measurements across labs and industrial applications. The unit comes complete with a sample pan, pan holder, and a pan lifter. Everything you need to get started. Before use, ensure the analyzer is placed on a stable, vibration-free environment. Avoid placing it near doorways or air vents, as airflow can affect accuracy. Check that the balance is level by adjusting the feet until the air bubble is centered within the black ring. The DSH 50 incorporates advanced halogen etching technology, ensuring rapid and consistent drying of samples. It features an adjustable temperature range from 50 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius, allowing precise control for different materials. Adjustable time setting further enhances flexibility for customized testing. For enhanced data management, the analyzer supports a serial communication via RS-232, enabling easy connection to computers or printers for data logging and reporting. To perform your first measurement, place the aluminum sample pan onto the pan holder, then position it on the weighing platform and close the lid. Tear the empty pan. Open the lid. Add your sample, such as flour, and ensure it is evenly distributed across the pan for accurate results. Close the lid and press start. The analyzer begins heating immediately using the halogen lamp. The display guides you through the drying process, showing the current moisture content, elapsed time, drying temperature. An audible beep signals the end of the measurement, and the final moisture result is displayed clearly on the screen for easy interpretation and recording. Upgrade your moisture testing today. Contact ScaleTech for the DSH 50 moisture analyzer and take control of your quality with precision. ScaleTech, securing your profits.